A bank offers 0.25% annual simple interest rate for a particular deposit. How much will the maturity value if 1 million pesos is deposited in this savings account for 1 year? So we'll still answer this one using the given find solution format, and we have to analyze the given numerical, the representation of each given numerical value. So first we have 0.25%. And since we have the percent symbol, it means that this number is the rate. And for us to solve this given problem using the 0.25% rate, we have to rewrite, or we have to eliminate the percent symbol by moving 2 decimal places to the left. So this will become 0.0025. Since this the decimal point is located here, we move 2 decimal places to the left, and then that will be the rate for this given problem. And then next we have 1 million pesos. 1 million is what? Based on the given problem. 1 million pesos is deposited. So, dahil dine-deposit natin siya, or i-deposit pa lang natin siya, meaning that's the initial amount in the given savings account. So, since that is the initial amount, then that makes 1 million pesos as the principal amount. And then, we also have 1 year. Let me just write it here. 1 year, and since year is a measure of time, we can say that 1 year is the time, or 1 year represents the time. And then we have to look for what variable. We have to analyzing the problem dun sa part where the question is located. We have the question as how much will be the maturity value. So, tinatanong kung magkano daw yung maturity value. So, since we have the term maturity value, it means that we have to look for the future amount. Kasi maturity value is another term for the future amount. Next, we have the solution. So, for the solution, yung solution nyo may vary kasi there are a lot of ways in answering this given problem, since ang given naman natin ay principal amount, rate, and time. Pwedeng ang gawin, ito yung first way. The first way is, you get the interest first. Ito yung hatiin natin. First way is yung first step, you identify the interest first using the formula PR times T. And then second step is, using the formula for the future amount na P, the principal amount, plus the interest, ay pwede natin makuha yung future value, or yung future amount, or yung maturity value. So, you can use this process, or yung other process naman is, di ba, we already have a direct formula for future amount, which is equivalent to P multiplied by the quantity of 1 plus rate times time. So, later on, you can see na either way or either process, we can still come up with the same value. So, let's use this first process first. You use this first process first. Ano daw talaga? So, ang gawin muna natin ay yung we get the interest first, and then tsaka tayo magsosolve for the future amount. Using the formula P times R times T, our P is 1 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 multiplied by the rate na 0.0025 multiplied by, allow me to write the time here. Ay, 1 year lang pala. 1 year. Okay lang pong magkabali-baliktad sila since the operation between numerical values is just multiplication for all the given values. Hindi nyo yun pwedeng pagpalit-palitin pagka hindi multiplication yung mga operation nila. So, multiplying, we have 1 million. 1 million, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, multiplied by 0.0025 times 1. You can use the multiplication symbol, or you can also use the parentheses. And then, equal sign, the answer is 2,500. We already have the interest. We all know that the principal amount is equivalent to 1 million. We just add those two to get the future amount or future value. So, 1 million plus interest na 2,500. If you still want to use your calculator, you may, or you can solve this one mentally as 1 million. The final answer is 1,200,500 as the future amount. So, ito yung unang way in solving the future amount. So, yung pangalawang way naman is we use the direct formula for the future amount. That is 1,2,3,4,5,6 multiplied by 1 plus the rate, which is 0.0025 multiplied by the time na 1, and then yan. You can directly solve it in your calculator na kung paano natin sinulat sa board, ganun nyo din siya itatype sa calculator na 1 million, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, tapos open parenthesis, 1 plus, open parenthesis, 0.0025, tapos close, open ulit, 1, close, close. Then, equal sign, ayan. As you can see, we still have the same answer as 1,2,500. Ayun, equivalent silang dalawa. Or if you want, ay pwede nyo isolve muna ito na 0.0025 times 1. Ang equivalent niya is still 0.0025. Tapos mag-add kayo ng 1. That is the answer. Tapos, tsaka nyo siya i-multiply sa 1 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayun, you still get the same answer as 1,2,500.